welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, we're gonna be thrifting for 70s disco themed outfits. We're celebrating my grandpa's 79th birthday. I have a vlog of last year when we celebrated his 78th, and this year we're doing a 70s disco theme. So my mom and I both need outfits. We're gonna be wearing wigs, so we're gonna go full out and do a whole transformation. I have a few ideas of what I want. You know those type of dresses where it's like a bell sleeve and then the dress also kind of drips out. I don't know what that style of dress is called. For ideas on Pinterest, I definitely want something with lots of color, hopefully sequins. Let's see what we can find at the thrift. I'm taking you along for anything else that we might do. I am trusting that the thrift will come through and we will find something. So see you guys when we get there. This is the style of dress that I'm referring to. Imagine this but with sequins. Alright guys, really quickly, this is my OOTD. My top is thrifted from Reformation, my jeans are thrifted by Abercrombie, and my shoes are Zara. And then the same olive green bag that I thrifted in, I can't remember the name of the brand. But that is today's outfit. I always have the doors open now. Right off the bat, look how cute this print is. This is my Old Navy for $5. What size is this? Oh, it's a medium, but it's so cute. I'm gonna have to hang on to it. Just consider it. It's just so cute. Fine, I know I'm not gonna get it, so let's just not lose time. I'm kind of just skimming and seeing if I can find any glitter. Oh, this one's cute. It's cute, but I feel like it's too tame. Maybe if this was a different color. It's cute though. I'm gonna go look at the knee-high boots and see if I can find any, like the picture that I showed you guys. Some knee-high pattern boots I think would be great. I don't think they're on sale today, which sucks because they always have it on sale just because nobody buys boots here, especially knee-high boots, but they're not on sale. And I'm not seeing a single pair of knee-high. I could always wear the ones that I have. They're just not like the right style, but I showed you guys these shoes the other day. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, these are so adorable. I wish these were my size. These called Fables are actually very cute. These would be perfect, but they are size 11. They would go with anything. Look at these some Edelmans. Very classic shoe, size 6. There's so many cute shoes today. Look at these ones by A New Day. These loafers by Franco Sarzo, which I love. Not in New York. These are pretty cute in a size 6. Oh my gosh, these are so different and yet they're so my style. Mary Jane with this cute little buckle. Tip is like shaped in the form of a clown shoe, which I think is so adorable. It's a size 42 though. Look at these. These are like the perfect, most classic black ballet shoe. These are by Cat & Jack in a size 5. So these are adorable. Like a perfect red pattern flat, but again, not my size. Pretty good options. Look at these Chanel dupes. Oh, they're actually a size 9. $12. I might consider them. I love this kind of flip-flop. This Ellen Tracy denim top. So cute, but it's a size large. Está bonita para ella. They have this red blazer by Sonoma, but I feel like it's a little too pricey. This one's cute by Dana Bookman. Let's go to another area because so far in this top section, couldn't find a single thing for myself, and in the shoe section you guys saw it was a complete fail. I think we need to check out the bottoms, especially skirts and pants. I mean, what other bottoms are there? I guess shorts, which we're not including. I feel like we can find something bell-bottomed. This is so cute. Butter yellow. Look at this Lauren Conrad pants in this cute blue color, and they're brand new for $12. I think I'm gonna have to put those in the cart. This vintage jeans by Blue Coal, whatever that says. They're very cute. This midi by Jones New York. It's in a size 10, but I love this animal print. It's like the perfect animal print that I like, where it's not like super small. We're starting to lose hope, so we're gonna go over to the short dresses. Hopefully we'll find something there. Oh, that's so colorful. Tried this on a while ago and it's such a cute workout dress, but it's way too short. No, I don't want anything black. I want something with lots of color and sparkles. Some brand that's like very extra. Do you guys see anything under that description? Because I don't. This gorgeous polka dot dress. So cute, but I'm just not looking for that right now. This looks like an ice skating costume. Definitely not in theme, but look at this Zara dress. I would totally get this because we're close to the fall, but it's a size large. It's so cute though. It's a perfect flat that I love. Here, this is our last chance, guys. Let's lock in. If this were a jumpsuit and not a dress, this would also be perfect. No. These are the Chanel dupes. I think I'm gonna leave them for someone else. They're cute though. I found this one. So cool. It's definitely too big, but it's so cool. I love it. Even not stitched for this. I'm obviously gonna leave it because it doesn't fit me, but look how cool. Yeah, we're gonna do a little DIY. I'm gonna take this, the ends to make it shorter with like a fuchsia pink skirt and lots of glitter in other ways, like a belt. Maybe I could find a skirt like this, but in woman's size. Look at this mask. I wonder if I could do something with this. Maybe I can make like a headband? No, because it has 2 holes in the sides. I came into the kids section and I feel like this is very 70s, but it's not like disco party 70s. Would be perfect. Some colorful tights. What in the 90s? This is so pretty. It's like the richest red velvet. There's great options for kids. Like if you want to dress a kid up in a costume, I feel like you could DIY so many things here. Look at this cutie. This shorts. And I'm thinking of having this too. We'll see what that looks like. These House of Harlow ones. They're quite bead, but for like $5. We made it into the fitting room, and the first thing that I'm gonna try on are these House of Harlow purple pants. They're an okay option. The color could pass like a 70s, but they're cargo, so I feel like they don't really fit the theme. They would be a safe option. Easy to style, but I think I'm gonna pass. I'm so glad I tried this one because it's gonna be a no. I'm gonna try just with this, and that's gonna be my last option. Yeah, this is gonna be a no. This was so cool in concept. It's just too big, so I feel like it's not flattering. So far, everything is a no. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna check out this again because there's so many studs and sequins that something has gotta come out of it. So I realized that I was mixing in the 90s aesthetic with the 70s because I definitely need to look out for more flared and bell-bottom things. So cute, I guess. What a throwback. Then is this a two? Ay, mami, encontré el mío. I thought they were flare pants, but it's actually a skirt. We should buy these for everyone. Quiero esta. Just realized that they have Abusea, which is one of the thrift stores that I've gone to at this same mall, and I'm just checking everything out, and look at what they have, which I would totally get if it was in my size. I saw this for my mom, and then they have this green one, but I'm not sure if it fits into the theme, so I'm just checking it out. Let me know if you guys want to see a full video thrifting here. Today I'm more so just looking for, well, you guys know what I'm looking for. Look at this, it's so 90s. I love it. I wish the theme was 90s, but perfect for a costume. Now, a costume for what? I don't know. Just saw something. Perfect dress. Are you kidding me? It's 100% silk. It's $5, and she can wear this with a belt. My hopes are high. Guys, look at this. Wow. One of truth. I think I found the perfect one. Está perfecto. Yes, I love it. Y es super cómodo. Yeah, I think this is gonna be perfect. Perfect. Look at this top by J. Crew. Look at the little buttons. I already found my dress, but I'm just browsing around.
Today's the next day, and my mom and I are gonna go out and run some errands.
This is my outfit. My top is Zara. My skirt is thrifted, but it's from Arizona Jeans. I think I showed you this in a vlog, but I did show this in a short form video. And they're this really cute Maeve by Anthropologie shoes that I got for an amazing deal. These were like 30 bucks and they retail for 100 and something, but they were having a huge sale that day. Here is the outfit for today. We're gonna go run some errands. It is currently noon. Just letting my hair out and I'm gonna go grab my bag, but I'm so we just got done with the main errands for everything that was left for the food. We have a buffet, but we wanted to make the salad on our own, and so we were getting the ingredients for that, get drinks and a couple of little things like air scents and things like that. I also got myself this sparkling caffeine drink in the blueberry flavor, which is my favorite. Going back to the thrift, this is pretty much our last errand because my mom still doesn't have her outfit figured out. We also want to go to the wig store because conveniently this mall has a wig store. They also have a party shop, which we also need to get a few more things. Let's see if they have wigs here. They have clothes. Look at the wigs up there. I want a black wig. Just a little bit curly. I feel like she looks like John Lennon. Brown hair. Came to the salon at the mall and they're looking for some wigs that they have on sale. They have like crazy colors, so let's see the options.
Una cosa temática, para ella que es jovencita, la azul, ella va a destacar. Ella va a destacar con esa azul, mi amor. Yo tengo esta foto de la chica con los cabellos rizos. Era una cortita.
That's crazy.
Para venir a enseñarle que no debería. No sé qué me cayó en gracia porque yo lo que digo es no hay.
Thrift, look at this top by Old Navy. It's a size medium. If it wasn't black, it would be so cute. This white boots in a size 9 for $6. We're tight, but I think they will do for the costume. Wow. My mom found these glitter cowboy boots. These are perfect.
Ay, no.
No te quedan. Ay, mami, serían perfectas. Parecen como Taylor Swift o Hannah Montana, en verdad. Isn't that giving Taylor Swift Eras tour? Off to a good start. By the way, I didn't get any of the wigs because they were in super bad condition and they were charging around $20, which I thought was too much because they were super tangly and it was like dull hair. But I'm gonna get myself these boots. I think they're gonna be perfect. Beauty. So cute. Look at these Skechers. You can tell these are great quality. Guys, look how cute the cake is. They brought this table. We're gonna decorate later. I bought this dress yesterday, which I showed you. It is a little bit big, but I think this will have to do. I didn't show you guys, but I found this top at a thrift store, which I didn't vlog at. It's the one called Remix at the mall. But this one has somewhat of a bell sleeve, very subtle. And this is gonna be my second option, but I just wanted something other than black, which is why I think I'm gonna go with the silver dress with these boots. Ignore the little stains that they had. They were $6, but I'm gonna try this on with these boots and hopefully I will like this. Guys, I found these pants for my mom. They're from H&M. We found them also at Remix, the thrift store that I didn't vlog at, and they would be perfect with this corset that I have from Zara. I think this outfit turned out perfectly. The dress was $5, the boots were $6. I do have a blonde wig that my aunt brought over. I don't know if I want to take pictures in it, but just for fun, I'll put it on for a little while maybe. But I'm thinking of crimping my hair. I think I'm gonna wear black tights. What it looks like. My aunt got this, which I can use for, I think, my hair. I feel like Daphne from Scooby-Doo. Perfect. Just got delivered. We've got chicken. I think this is lasagna or pastelón de plátano maduro, I think, and lasagna, or the other way around. Here we've got ribs. guys, my makeup, I did it to the best of my ability. I did like a smoky eye.
Yeah.